Welcome here at the George M. James Book Show. We also deal with books written under my own name. And there's two books which we wrote, my wife and myself. And it's a When and Where's books. And it will become a series when I write the third book and the last book in a series, probably this year. But When Does It End is where it starts. And I actually have a copy of it here. It's a magnificent book because it deals with a Jewish army rescuing Jews out of Nazi-occupied Europe during the Second World War. Now, it's astonishing to me how few people actually know about this, and this got absolutely nothing to do with the Israeli army or defense forces. This is way before they even existed. And the startling things which came out there for me, even though I wasn't that surprised, is first that Switzerland refused about 30,000, 30,000 Jews entry into Switzerland because their paperwork wasn't done correctly. And of course, you can imagine what happened further. In fact, I'll go that far and tell the Swiss that they murdered those Jews. Yeah, that's definitely what happened there. But there's a lot of things which comes out in this book which is astonishing, and which is definitely very different from what you've read before. And it's history. It is history which really ought to be read by everybody. It will give you a new perspective on what happened in those years.